Science helps us answer questions by using evidence and experiments to understand how things work. It is divided into three main areas. Chemistry studies what things are made of, focusing on atoms and how they combine to form different materials. Biology explores living things, including how humans, plants, and animals grow, adapt, and interact with their environment. Physics examines forces, energy, gravity, light, sound, and motion. Why is science useful? Expanding knowledge, experiments lead to discoveries that inspire new ideas. Solving problems, understanding how things work helps us invent solutions, like designing faster cars by studying motion.